So just getting as comfortable as you can, just sitting in a chair. You can be reclined, you can have your feet up, doesn't matter. If you feel like you're just gonna fall right asleep, a more upright posture is probably better. And just getting as comfortable here as you can. Letting your eyes close gently. And bringing your awareness to the sensations of how it feels right now to be sitting in your chair. So seeing if you can notice all the little contact points between your body and the chair. Maybe feeling the weight of your body, the pressure of your bottom and the back of your thighs against the chair. Maybe feeling some warmth there. Maybe feeling where your back comes into contact with the chair back. And now I want you to move your awareness down and into your feet. So now just choosing to become aware of any sensations right now in your feet. Any little tingles, or if they're hot or cold. The pressure of your shoes or the weight of your feet against the floor. Just choosing to be aware right now of any sensations at all in your feet. And now I want you to move your awareness, this time into your face. Some people notice that as soon as they do this, their brow softens. What else do you notice? How does your face feel in this moment? Is there tension around your eyes or lips? Do your eyes feel heavy? Can you feel any temperature of air on the skin of your face? And just noticing, becoming intentionally aware of your face. And now for these final few moments of this practice, I want you to see if you can expand your awareness now to include your whole body. So just choosing to feel the sensations right now of your whole body. So are there any itches present? Or any sensations of warmth or coolness? Does your body feel tired or energized? you hungry right now, or full, or just kind of neutral? Whatever you feel, however you feel, just noticing. Letting yourself feel your whole body right now. So it's just awareness of your whole body as best you can. And now, as the meditation comes to an end, just beginning to move a little bit, maybe stretch. And noticing how it feels now to move. And knowing that you just practiced a little mindfulness, that choice to become aware. And that's where it all begins.